Hey friends, Mindfulness with Miss Lisa here. Woo! Feeling really emotional at the very moment. I just got off a FaceTime call with a former student. And she's having an art show today. So it was pretty good. Those are the little things in life that make you appreciate everything. I want to talk today about mindful anchors. There's 3 anchors that I like to use: mindfulness of breath, mindfulness of sound, and mindfulness of body. It's exactly what it sounds like, an anchor that can keep us in place in times of stress, in times of anxiety, in times of turmoil, in times of trauma. We don't want to re-traumatize ourselves. Sometimes when we start thinking about things when we're meditating, that comes up. So there are ways to do that, which I will talk about in the future. But for today, I want to talk about mindful anchors. The breath is always here. It's always with us. If we didn't have it, we wouldn't be upright, would we? So it's here and it's accessible if you are a human that can access it. Sometimes trying to access the breath makes people have more anxiety. So put a pause, put a halt on it if that's not good for you. Maybe 15 breaths, counting, doing box breathing will help you. Maybe it won't. There's mindfulness of the sensations in your body. I love this one. I like tactile. I like to feel things. I'm a tactile person. I didn't know when I first started practicing that I wasn't able to access my breath. I thought I could breathe. Everybody says, just breathe. Well, just breathing didn't work for me. I needed to feel. I needed to touch. I needed to sway. I needed to move. I needed the beads on my wrist that I could play with, because that kept me grounded. That kept me in the moment. Everybody has to figure this out for themselves, which works best for you. So I didn't have a clue until about 2 years in of this practice that I could feel like the sensations in my body, literally feel the tinglings in my fingertips. I didn't know this. And that aha moment, I was in my meditation, I went, oh, I can feel this in my body. This is amazing. I can feel my butt on a cushion. I feel my feet on the floor. I like to move back and forth. Those things ground this human. That might not be good for you. And then there's mindfulness of sound. What are the sounds you hear in the environment? For a lot of people, those sounds come with trauma, toxic environment, painful experiences. So a lot of people like to block out the sound. Children block out the sound. Well, there's a part that you can learn as your brain gets better and healthier, that those sounds in the distance you can listen for actually can help you cope with the sounds that are right here in the present. Whatever might be causing you the stress, the anxiety, the overwhelm. So mindfulness of sound is amazing. We were at the People's Place having a class there, and often police cars and fire engines would go by. Some people got rattled by it. Some people didn't hear it after a while, because the sounds that used to bother us, that used to traumatize us, can sometimes be relieved through this practice. Not always. This is not a cure-all, fix-all. You have to be diligent. It's a way of life. Get good teachers. I am not a therapist. I am a mindfulness meditation practitioner and teacher. That's what I do. So I'm here to bring you the type of strategies and skills and talk to you about what you can do, okay? So those 3 anchors might help you, or just give you a perspective on doing something a different way that maybe you didn't know you could do before, okay? Thank you for letting me share my experience. And I look forward to helping more humans in this crazy world that we live in right now. And I say that with brevity, but my heart hurts for the way the world is right now. Thank you. Take good care.